I'm back with another video. So, I got something in the mail. So, this one super. It's the next day, and I got it in the mail. She's so cute though. I changed her. She is a silken doll. She ain't full silicone. See? And these are actually not the clothes that she came with. I just changed her. And we got a new castle. So, comment down below if you want to show you the room. So, yeah. So, yes. I'm joking. I'm joking. So I'm gonna be singing Jennifer. So let's get started. Jennifer, what you prefer? I know you're playing games, I know it's how it works. The first girl that I love, first girl that I heard. I'm calling out to Jennifer, I'm calling out to her. I'm coming for you, Jennifer. Oh my, baby, you're something. Caroline. Okay, so I did that, and that's like, yeah. Sing horrible. Comment down below if I sing horrible. I hate my singing, guys. Like, it's ugly. Yes. Yeah, dude, good. Bye, guys. Oh, my fidget spinner just fell. I need to put it back in my purse. Oh, there's my doll that I've been looking for. There's my key. See, I even show you guys how the key. Bam. This has a heart on. It goes to my phone. I just want to leave. I'm gonna go undercover. So, yeah, I just had to tell my sister something. So, comment down below if you like this video. Bye, guys. Peace out.